Hello everyone, this is Pragya Pandey from RAO'S Academy for Competitive Exams Bhopal, and this is our special series on daily news review. Without wasting any time, let's see what is in the news. Sadbhavna Divas, that is celebrated every year on 20th August to commemorate the birth anniversary of late Prime Minister Sri Rajiv Gandhi. Sri Rajiv Gandhi was the youngest Prime Minister in India's history. He took up the role of Prime Minister after the assassination of Srimati Indira Gandhi in 1984. During his tenure, Rajiv Gandhi brought several landmark changes that includes the expansion of information technology in the country, implementation of national policy on education in 1986 with an aim to reform and enhance the higher education institution throughout India. He also established the Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya system, which is a centralized government school for rural areas. Mr. Gandhi was brutally assassinated in 1992 with the suicide bomb attack in Tamil Nadu, Sri Perumbudur. Goa becomes the first state to be Har Ghar Jal certified, while Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu became the first union territory to be certified. Let's understand about the Jal Jeevan Mission. It is a flagship program of Government of India which is envisioned to provide safe and adequate drinking water through individual household via tap connection by 2024 in rural India. The program will also implement source sustainability measures as a mandatory element. The Jal Jeevan Mission will be based on a community approach to water and will include extensive information, education and communication as a key component of the mission. Jal Jeevan Mission also aims to create a Jan Andolan for water, thereby making it everyone's priority. Jharkhand becomes the first state in the country to distribute seeds to farmer via blockchain technology. Let's see what is this technology is all about. Blockchain means the digital database or ledger where information is stored as a block. They are coupled together and forms chains. It offers a singular combination of permanent and tamper evident record keeping, that is a real time transaction, transparency and auditability. A copy of the blockchain is available to each of the users who are joined together in a network. This technology is significant as it makes the system and the information stored therein fraud proof, transparent, and very credible. According to the new study published in the journal Science Advances, Magdalon, that is a giant transoceanic predator, existed in ocean around 23 million to 2.6 million years ago. Defense Minister Mr. Rajnath Singh handed over several new defense systems including FINSAS, the Nippon mines, the landing craft assault to the Indian Army. Let's understand these systems one by one. The Future Infantry Soldier as a system is a program for modernization of infantry that aims at increasing the operational capability of the soldiers by providing them modern systems that are lightweighted, all weather, all terrain, cost effective, and load maintenance. These systems are designed by the DRDO and the Ordnance Factory ecosystem. Let's see what are those items included under FINSAS system. The first one is Russian origin gas operated magazine fed select fire assault rifle with range of 300 meter named AK-203 assault rifle. The second one is multi-mode hand grenade which can be used in both defensive and offensive modes. In defensive mode, the grenades are to be hurled when the thrower is in a shelter or has a cover, while in the offensive mode, the grenades do not fragment and the adversary is harmed by the blast or is stunned. The third one is ballistic helmets and ballistic goggles for protection against small projectile and fragments along with a bulletproof vest providing protection against 9 mm bullet and ammunition fired from AK-47 rifles. The other items those are includes are hand frees, secure advanced communication set for real-time exchange of information with the command post and fellow soldiers for enhanced situational awareness. The next one was Nippon mines. Nippon mines are anti-personnel mines. Those are designed by DRDO, are meant to be used against humans. They will act as the first line of defense against infiltrator and enemy infantry. They are smaller in size and can be deployed in large numbers. They provide protection to the troops and other border and are more potent and effective than the existing anti-personnel mines in their arsenal. Next one is landing craft assault. The landing craft assault has a better launch speed and capacity to propagate across cross water obstacles in eastern Ladakh. They are meant to serve in Pangso Lake. So this is it for today. Join our batches for UPSC MPPSC Civil Services Examination. Seats are very limited, so hurry up. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to hit like button. Also comment your valuable feedback and also press the subscribe button to never miss any updates. Please follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Links are given below in the description box. Thank you and see you tomorrow.